Look at this buffet. This 4-star hotel costs you not even $50. Unboxing Indonesian local chain hotel. 4-star facilities. Great Indonesian breakfast buffet. But how about the room? Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Good morning, Jakarta, Indonesia. This city is buzzing with energy thanks to its stable tropical weather, only containing 2 settings, hot and very hot. As always, let me share my recent stay in Jakarta. I ventured to the north part of the city and enjoyed the hospitality of Hotel Holiday Inn Gajah Mada. The lovely staff upgraded me to a suite, and I experienced the full facilities and delightful lunch plus breakfast buffets. Oh, about the pool skyline? Absolutely worth a visit. Check out the link below for all the juicy details. Today I'm staying at Hotel Santika Premier Bintaro, a 4-star hotel. How about their online price tag? Just $50 a night, including breakfast. Let's dive in. The hotel lobby has a 5-star feel with its typical Indonesian color tones. I got room 901, so let's embark on the room tour. Upon entering, there's a large mirror on the closet, and housing hangers, a laundry foam, a safe, and slippers. Checking out the bedding, I can understand now the reason with $50 price tag. It feels like a budget-friendly room with no carpet. Complimentary drinking water, coffee and tea, complete with a water boiler. Oh, and there's a mask on the table. Safety first. The mini fridge. Since it's late, the outside view remains a mystery until morning. Of course, a TV is placed right in front of the bed. Now let's unbox the bathroom. Towels. A standard toilet, a sink with essential amenities. And in the shower room, Santika-branded shampoo and shower gel there. After ordering a tasty Indonesian special fried rice nasi goreng, it's time to sleep. But before we unbox the breakfast buffet, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Let's head to the ground floor where the restaurant is located. Wow, the variety of Indonesian food is just amazing. Check out these crackers, a perfect match for Indonesian taste buds. The chilies, very spicy, but they add a unique flavor. Trust me, you must try even just a little bit. There's even a made-to-order station serve soto ayam, Indonesian chicken soup noodle, daily dishes at hotel quality. I indulge in both local and international offerings, ending my meal with fried tofu topped with a hot green chili to kickstart my day. Overall, staying in this hotel is a mixed bag. The lobby is great, the dining experience is delightful, perfect for hosting events with those facilities. Definitely 4 stars and above. However, the room is a bit underwhelming, but considering the cost of $50, including breakfast, it's a reasonable compromise. What do you think? Would you plan to stay here? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In my next video, I'll be heading to Jakarta International Terminal 3, flying Garuda Indonesia in economy class to Singapore. We'll explore both Indonesian home-based Garuda Lounge and the newly opened Plaza Premium Lounge. Curious about the onboard experience? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.